Hey everyone, welcome back to SamResolve. Today we're trimming, cutting the fluff and shaping your video all you like. Let's go. Trimming is easy. Grab the edge of the clip right here. See the little arrows? Drag them to chop the start, right to trim the end. It's like giving your video a haircut. Snip what you don't need, no stress, just put it till it feels right. Want to cut a chunk out? Hit the razor icon or press B. If you're feeling fancy, and click where you want to split. Now you've got two pieces. Drag one away or delete it. Boom. Instant edit. Here's a trick. Move the playhead, that red line, to where you want to cut. You hit Control. What is this called? Control this thing. Here's a trick. Move the playhead to the red line where you want to cut. Hit T for trim edit. This thing. Trim edit. Move trim edit mode and drag, and it shifts everything after. See that? That keeps your sync. It's chill magic for tightening gaps without messing up your audio. And if you mess up, no sweat, just Ctrl Z. It undoes everything every time. Bonus move. Right click a clip, change clip speed, and set it to 50% for slow-mo. 关机那个是怎么回事啊? Or 200% to speed up the clip. 他说2个小朋友啊，觉得很好玩啊，你 Play around and see what sticks. Got a few clips, slide them close, overlap a bit for fade. See the transition? That's basic editing. Smooth the jump. We'll hit that fancier fades later, but this works for now. That's trimming and editing basics. Here's a recap. Grab clip from edge to trim, split with razor, tweak with the playhead. Simple moves to shape your story. Resolve's all about keeping it easy, one cut at a time. If this is clicking, hit that like and tap that bell, and new tutorials every week. Next up, we're adding text, titles, subtitles, all that. Toss a comment, trim trouble, one more edits. I got you. I'll catch you guys in the next video.